While I caution anybody for using these products, I myself am gonna use it because I'm gonna risk it. I'm not a lash extension gal, but I do love lash perms. If I could go out the door wearing nothing, I still need to curl my lashes. If you can see, my lashes right now point straight down. And usually I have to put waterproof mascara and then curl my lashes, which is like the ultimate makeup artist no-no. This is Letitia from the future, just interrupting that this is not just gonna be lash lift, because as you can see, this turned out so well that we're gonna perm our eyebrows as well. The kit that I bought is from a brand called Silk Sense, and honestly, I think that most of the brands that are available online are from China. This lash kit comes with a 4-stage chemical process, lash glue, lift pads, as well as cleaning tools. Other things that you need is saran wrap and maybe a spoolie or some kind of lash comb. You actually start with step 4 first as the cleanser to clean your eyelashes and eyelid and prep it for the application. I want to make sure I'm getting through these lashes. I'm using a lint-free wipe. So out of all the eye pads, they don't really explain to you what sizes that you should be choosing, but from my experience, I've had lash perms, they tell me, oh, your lashes are pretty long, so if you don't want them touching your eyelids, you should go for a larger curl. If you see from small to large, large has a really large bump. Because of my monolids, they tend to be hooded and they hide the curl anyways, so I need it to like really sharply turn. Just picture large, medium, small. That's pretty much how your lashes are gonna go. And so today I'm gonna opt for the smallest iPad. It says to put iPad under your eyes. I don't have an iPad, but I do have medical tape. So apply lash glue. Wait for it to get tacky. Don't blow on it. I'm not gonna blow on it. It'll be good. Tweezers definitely help. Oh no, I think my tears. Okay, let's try that again. I'm just gonna hold it like this. It worked. It's time to apply lash glue onto the pad. That plastic tool actually really came in handy. I know lots of people that I've watched have not liked it. I just spent 15 minutes, past 15 minutes, getting every eyelash onto this eyelash pad, but because it's such an essential step, I really wanted to get it right. So now I'm ready for step 1, which is the perm solution. Then I'm going to apply saran wrap, set timer for 12 minutes. Okay. Did they all fall down? So now I have to apply this, step 2, and then put plastic film over that again. Saran wrap is so important. Don't cover your entire eye because it kind of steams it and loosens your eyelashes from the iPad. It's a great way to keep the solution on and also to allow you to touch your eyelashes and hold them in while you wait for this perming solution to set in. This little bugger. This thing was barely holding on. Time to use step 3, which is nutrition to the there is no point. Look how sticky they are. I'm just gonna clean them. It's pointless. Can't nutrition anything if I am caked on with glue. Holy shit. Y'all, I think it worked. Now to do this all over again on my second eye. Cool. It's 3:30. I think I started at 2 or 1:30. This is why people pay people to do this. I don't know if I would apply the medical tape under again. It actually kind of inhibited my eye movement and made things a lot more difficult. It's been infinitely easier on this eye. I feel like I just got the hang of it. Sketchy. It just broke. I do not recommend this brand if you're applying something close to your eye with fragments of glass. Like if you have round eyes like mine, applying the iPad on a slant, so not trying to force it into the inner corners and focusing more on the outer corners has been much easier. It's clearly better on the second eye, and you could tell from start to finish that it was going to be better. I am very impressed. Right now, I'm not going to get it wet or wash my face for 24 hours.
Isn't it the first cardinal rule of perm maintenance that you're forbidden to wet your hair for at least 24 hours after getting a perm, at the risk of deactivating the ammonium thioglycolate?
Letitia from the future is here. I washed my face. My lashes look amazing. There's this whole brow lamination trend going on right now, and I really am not feeling it because it's just very extreme. But I would like my eyebrows to be a little bit brushed better all the time. These hairs at the end are a little coarser and they are heavier, I guess. The reason why I do the lash lift in the first place is to keep this whole routine as short as possible because I am so lazy. So if I could cut another step in my makeup process, I'm gonna do it. When I was doing my research, I did notice red flags because I felt like all of the packaging of these lash lift kits are like in a very sus way. They were all very similar. So I think they're all made by pretty much the same manufacturer, but just rebranded. I looked up other brands that you can buy, and I'm gonna list them below for things that I think are less sketchy. I'm applying the lash glue to my brows. So as you can see, my bare eyebrows are pretty dang bushy. I was given pretty good eyebrows by my parents. I'm gonna brush these in the general direction that I want for now and then trim it after. So I'm gonna apply the perming solution. A tip for when you're applying saran wrap is to always apply it with your lashes and your eyebrows in an upwards motion because it helps push the hairs. And then if you have to smooth out anything, smooth out. This adds like a centimeter to my eyebrows. So this is a step where I would shape them a bit more. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 12 minutes.
Okay, 12 minutes and counting.
My parents are on their way to drop off some food. If I have to go out like this, I feel like my mom's gonna clock these brows in a second. Cause she always, when I was a kid, was like, "You pluck your eyebrows too thin." And I was always stupidly was like, "No, they're not. They're not too thin." And now I look back at my photos and they're too damn thin. And now she's gonna be like, "Your eyebrows are too damn thick." Clean my brows quickly. All in all, I think this turned out quite well. The eyebrows, maybe not quite my thing. I don't want them to be brushed so well. Feels like they take more work to groom just to get them to sit right than it does if I were just to not have permed them. I will absolutely perm my lashes again. I would probably not perm my eyebrows again. If you guys enjoyed this video, this quarantine has, I've experimented with so many things. But you could check out my channel at Letitia-Q and find me on social also at Letitia-Q. See you guys next time. Bye. Do you like them?
Yeah.
You're just laughing at them. Can I have your eyelashes?
No. No.
Give them to me.
I'll give you my one brow.
Thank you.